So if your window switch is working in the reverse direction to what you want it to work like, what you can do is take out this window mechanism, unscrew 4 bolts, flip it around, and then put it back on, and it should be working. So let's see if this will work. So as you can see, just flipping this part right here, that will change the direction of how the switch operates your window, and it did work on my Mark V GTI, so you can try that. If that doesn't work, you probably need a new mechanism. Thanks for watching.